Hey guys, my name is Balaji. Welcome to my channel. Today is my last day in Kenya. All my stuff is packed and ready. I came here with just this and this. Now I'm having to take this. All the stuff my friends back in India asked me to bring back for them. Uh, anyway, so it's been 4 months, 10 days since I left India. I've seen a lot, experienced a lot, lost my phone, and yeah, a lot of things happened. I'm just going to do a little bit of shopping and then catch my Uber to the airport. So I'll see you there then. Bye for now.